Hi everyone, my name is Rachel. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the projections chart or file that was given to you with your case study for the business challenge, which is coming up on November 19th at UMC, that you will be participating in. So basically, just to get started, a projection is really an estimate or a forecast of a future situation based on the data that we have available. So here we have some data available to us in this projection sheet. So go ahead and to get started, you need to take it out of protected view, so enable editing. And then you also need to enable macros, which is right here, so enable that content. All right, so you'll get this screen and you'll start by putting in your team name and hitting OK, and then start. Okay, so over here, we have our previous year's results. All right. And over here, so this is our data last year. Um, we had an expected average attendance, ticket price, luxury box, marketing, and promo. I'm going to stop. If you haven't read the case already, you can do so by clicking this button, and it tells you the decisions that you need to make. I highly recommend reading the case before you watch this video, however. Okay, so what you need to decide is, are you going to have your team in Carrolltown or Eddyville? For the purpose of this activity, I'm going to choose Carrolltown. The max attendance in Carrolltown is 8,000 people. On average, they get about 6,000. I'm going to choose, or 5,000. I'm going to guess we're going to have 6,500 because I think we're going to do some great marketing. You have to choose a ticket price between $5 and $10. I'm going to choose $7.25. You have to pick a luxury price a luxury box price between $500 and $1,500. I'm going to choose $739. You need to choose a marketing and promotion percentage between 10 and 20% of your sales. This is really average in the industry. I'm going to pick 12. You need to choose what price you'll charge for a hot dog and a beverage. It's a promotional offer, somewhere between $5 and $10. I'll pick $9. And you need to determine if you're going to hire Dr. Rachel as a consultant for $50,000. I'll say no. So here are my projections. All right. So I had average attendance. Here's what happened last year. Based on my decisions I made, here are my projections. Okay, so I had a gross revenue of 2.8 million. That was higher than last year. Before tax profit of 771,000, a profit margin of 27%, and a return on investment of 30%. And now I can say, oh, I think maybe I'm not sure if I want. Maybe my attendance really won't be so high. I'm going to try 6,000 instead, and you can see how that impacts your projection. So basically, you are going to use this sheet, this projections sheet, to test out your decisions and ultimately come up with what you think are the best decisions. Then, when you come to the business challenge on November 19th, we are going to throw a little bit of a curveball. We're going to give you a simulation which takes into consideration a few other factors that maybe weren't thought about. That's as much of a hint as I'm going to give you. And you will actually run the data in the simulation to see what really happened. So these are your projections. These are what you're guessing might happen if you make these decisions. When you come to the event, you'll run the simulation as if it's real life, and you'll see what really happened. And with that, feel free to contact me if you have questions. Your teacher has my email. Again, I'm Rachel. Can't wait to see you all soon.